Look at him trying so hard.
Oh, you're the wussy.
Wussy.
You did it before the first thing he's doing. Come on, look like a man. I smell pee-pee.
Hi.
Hey. Hey.
Hi, cutie.
Come on.
What you say?
He needs to get a running start. Hollister, come over here, honey.
Look, come on, baby. Look. Let's say goodbye to the doggy and we'll go up.
Uh-oh. Look at the monkey.
Come on. Hey, monkey.
Look at the monkey.
You're stuck in there. Get
Uh-oh.
stuck in there. You got a waffle thrown on your head.
It's the drunken walk again.
Is he barking?
Moles are hanging out
She's
right
saying,
here.
arf, arf, arf.
Moles love this.
Yeah.
All the grubs from the roots.
Mm.
Trees.
Can you say pepper?
I have the tractor.
That's pepper. That's pepper. Okay, I'm trying.
It's okay, baby. It's okay. I know you're excited.
Look at that monkey.
Stuff will grow on you. Yeah, you ain't stuck in between. You ain't just stuck in there. And then you got a waffle print on your head. Stuff lives in there too. Now these are endangered species. You don't want to walk on there.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, she liked that. No, they're not glasses.
Thank you.
Did you see what he was doing?
Let's go up. Let's go up.
You guys all done?
Let's go up. Let's go up. Let's see who gets there first. Holly or Pee-Pee Pants? Come on. Come on, buddy. Oh, she won't hurt you, but you make it hurt. Come on. Come on, buddy. You make it. You make it. Come on. Come on.